同学们好. It's Dang Lao Shi again. This is the third video in the series I'm posting about how to do the cooking assessment task at home. Now, this video assumes that you've completed your script in Chinese pinyin and characters. If you haven't done that yet, you might need to go and check out the first and or second videos, to make sure that you're up to where you need to be. So if you've finished your script and you're ready to record it, this is the video for you. So you can see here, I've got the lemon chicken recipe, and if you look on the right hand side of my sheet here, I've completed it. Got the name of the dish, I've got the ingredients, and I've got all of my cooking steps in Chinese. Okay, so I'm ready to record my script. How do we do that? Well, we're going to record it in Education Perfect. So if you look at your Google Classroom, I'm here in 8A. You can see in the stream that I've posted the cooking assessment task. It's there in the stream. You can also check it out in the classwork tab, find it in there. Once you open the cooking assessment task, it'll give you something that looks like this. Your view might be slightly different to mine. But basically there's a link to the sheet and there's a link to Education Perfect, which will take you to where you need to go to do the task. Remember, when you log into Education Perfect, your username is your full school email address. So that's your name and any numbers that you have after it, and it ends with @education.nsw.gov.au. Your password is something that you've chosen yourself. If you've forgotten that, drop me a comment in the Google Classroom and I'll fix it for you. If you've got any problems getting into Education Perfect, put a comment in the Google Classroom. Your username is your full school email, and the password is something that you've selected. So anyway, once you get into Education Perfect and log in, you'll go to a screen like this. This is the one which has got the Term 3 assessment task cooking. So we'll click on here, and you can see it's got an information section and an extended response, which is where you can actually do the task. So I'm just going to click on the information section just to quickly show you what's there. It's got some instructions, right? It talks us about doing the recording. And here you can also upload a slideshow. Remember, you're supposed to take some photos of each thing. I'll have one more video showing you how to do that. This one we're just going to be focusing on the recording. Okay. The other slide just mentions that if you've made a video, then you don't need to do any slides or to record yourself, as long as there's voiceover in your video. Upload the video and you're done. But if you're working for a template like I am, this is where we're going to do it. Now, I've already got some audio recorded here, so I'm just going to get rid of that. Okay, so when you come in, it'll look like this. Remember, you just click on that on the link there to start recording, and read your script, and you're good to go. You may need to give Education Perfect permission to use your computer's microphone. If it asks you for permission, please click on Allow. That means you can do the recording. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click there. I'm going to go back into the sheet where my script is and just read it. That's my recording. So I click. 这个菜叫柠檬鸡。这个菜有鸡肉、柠檬汁、面粉、糖、酱油、油。 So you can see I've gone back now and I hit the pause button. That means it's paused my recording and I can pick back up where I left off. So I just read the name of the dish and the ingredients, and then I wanted to have a break. So what I can do now is if I hit the button from here, I can go back and just start from the cooking steps and just continue on. Two things I'd say: if you make a little mistake when you're doing this recording, just correct the mistake and keep going. Yeah, you don't need to start again if you just made a little error that you catch yourself straight away. Just correct it, keep going. It's not a problem. Yeah. If you're really unhappy with it, well, then you can press this one. Press this one. Well, so I don't like what I've done. So it's like it uploads what I've done. I can listen to it if I want to, but if I really don't like it, I just click record again, press it again, and it's gone. I'm ready to start again. All right. So just to show you again what I did, I'm going to go from the very beginning. I click to record. 这个菜叫柠檬鸡。这个菜有鸡肉、柠檬汁、面粉、糖、酱油、油。And I press pause. Now I can press this red button again and go back from where I was going. which was the cooking steps. So I'll show you what that looks like. 第一步，把水、面粉拌。第二步，把柠檬汁、糖、酱油煮1分钟。And so on, and I can go right through to the end. All right. So if I'm happy with what I've done, I can push stop. I haven't finished. I don't mind. And then it's done. So once you're happy with it, as long as you can see that you've got something recorded, you can listen to yourself if you want to. I'm not going to bother. Once you're happy and you want to upload it, we just click on self-mark answer. You click on that, and it's done. All right, so it's up there. I can see my 37 seconds has been handed in. How did I do? I was sensational. Give myself 5 stars, and I've got it. Click on that, and I'm done. Okay. Then it takes you through to the file uploader where you're going to upload your slides. I'll talk about that in the next video. This one's been long enough. So that's how we do the recording part. If you need any help, drop a comment in the Google Classroom. Let me know. I'm sure we can sort it out. All right. Thanks again, everybody.